up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I make lifestyle videos for the everyday babe. So if you want to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, that would be amazing. I can't remember the last time that I ate like a certain YouTuber for a day, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity because I've been feeling a little off track, and whenever I'm feeling that way, I like to do home cooked meals and find healthy recipes, and I thought what better person to get me in a very positive and happy and body confident mindset than to eat like schultzzie for a day. Also, she and I are both Gryffindors, so I'm wearing my Gryffindor Quidditch shirt. Thought she would appreciate that. And this morning I made a cappuccino, which she's like recently fallen in love with, and I took a SoulCycle class because I know that she did SoulCycle classes for a month and I had 1 credit left, so I was like, yeah, I need to cycle, I need to sweat, let's do it. With that being said, let's get into the first meal of the day because I am so hungry. First meal of the day is a smoothie, and I'm kind of kicking myself because I thought that I had all the ingredients and I'm realizing I don't, but it's okay. I'm just gonna do with what I have. We're gonna do a cup of spinach, some strawberry kefir. I've got frozen mango, and this is like a frozen fruit medley, which includes some bananas. I'm just gonna make this tropical fruit smoothie. Just gonna add a little water. Super tropical and fruity and delicious. Okay, it's time for lunch. I just watered my plant, which is why he's in the sink. But anyway, we are making Sierra's mango spring rolls. She posted this in her Instagram story along with this like mango dipping sauce, and I really wanted to try it. I never make spring rolls. I think the last time I made a spring roll was like 3.5 years ago, so I might be a little rusty, but I got the ingredients and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay y'all, here are the ingredients. You need lettuce, mango, red onion, chili powder, salt and pepper, and then spring roll rice paper. On another episode of Emma Botched Sierra's Recipe, all of my avocados look nasty and are kind of frozen because my fridge is apparently way too cold. So yeah. Big ingredient is missing. Damn. Oh well. Side note, if I had them in my fridge, I would replace this sparkling water with a White Claw. Because there ain't no laws when you're drinking claws. I'm just gonna see myself out. Bye. Okay, try not to laugh. These look pretty dorky. Also my blender is trash, and so it didn't really blend up the mango, chili powder, and onion sauce, but these look pretty okay. I think that if there were avocados in there, it would make it more caloric, because I'm not sure how full this is gonna keep me. And yeah, that's it. There are my mango spring rolls. Well guys, now it's time for dinner. And I was incredibly tempted to just order from Veggie Grill, but I thought, what's the fun in that? If Sierra has posted what I eat in a day and recipes on her Instagram, those are the ones that I want to try, because then those are things that I can realistically incorporate into my meals, my lifestyle, if I like them. So fortunately, no cauliflower wings tonight, but we are gonna make roasted vegetables with rice and Beyond Meat. So that's pretty exciting because I don't cook with fake meat often, and I'm excited to see how I can make this taste like the real deal. Here are all the ingredients. I've got jasmine white rice, Beyond Meat, and for the vegetables we're gonna do carrots, Brussels sprouts, a full red onion with some garlic. I'm gonna mix these all together with olive oil, roast them, and it's gonna be just like a really nice veggie stir fry. Look how precious these carrots are. Les petites carottes. I can't speak French, so that was my really lame attempt. I can't eat this. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make eggs instead. All of the vegetables are done and these look amazing. The rice is ready to go. And then I am gonna cook up some eggs just to like add some protein. I feel like I've had absolutely zero protein all day. I feel bad about the Beyond Meat, but it was inedible. It just didn't taste good. And I'm definitely down to try other ones if you guys have a better brand that you like. But that was just like the cheapest one that I saw at Pavilions. And it's the Beyond Meat like brand, but it was inedible. So the only thing that I'm missing today is protein. I feel like I haven't really eaten that much. So I'm going to, I feel like cracking an egg over this would just be really good. And because Sierra is vegetarian, that's why I'm not going to put in anything else, because I do have like chicken in the fridge and stuff, but she's vegetarian and so I'm eating vegetarian. So I'm gonna put some eggs together and I'm so excited to eat this. This seriously looks so good. And here's dinner, guys. I put some sriracha on it just to give it a little bit of spice. I have a cup of jasmine rice, about a cup of vegetables, it could be more, and then 2 eggs here. So that looks really good. All right, guys, that is everything. That concludes everything. It was such a good dinner. It was really filling, but it was so fun to kind of live my life like Sierra. If I could have gone to Disneyland, I would have. If I could have done some sort of like cool clothing try on haul type of sitch, I would have. But I don't know, I just really enjoyed finding new recipes, and those spring rolls were awesome, and I have so many of those like rice paper things left, so I definitely want to try creating some shrimp rolls and all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't already sent this video to Sierra, I would really appreciate it if you would, because that would be awesome if she could see this little like tribute. And as always, let me know in the comments who you want me to eat like next. I already know the next one I'm gonna do, but the next one after that, who do you want to see me eat like? It could be a YouTuber, it could be a celebrity, really, like, it's up to you. All right, I gotta put all of this away, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.